Hey there, job seekers! If you're looking to dive into the healthcare industry and want to make sure you're getting top dollar for your skills, you're in the right place. Today, I'll be breaking down the best healthcare companies in the US that offer great salaries. So grab a notebook, take some notes, and let's get started. First up, we've got Mayo Clinic. This non-profit organization based in Rochester, Minnesota, consistently ranks as one of the best hospitals in the country. And guess what? They also pay incredibly well. Physicians and surgeons here can earn upwards of $500,000 annually. Nurses and other healthcare professionals also enjoy competitive salaries and comprehensive benefits. If you're looking for a prestigious place to work with a hefty paycheck, Mayo Clinic is a top choice. Next, let's talk about Kaiser Permanente. With locations primarily on the West Coast, Kaiser is known for its integrated approach to healthcare. Physicians at Kaiser can expect to make around $300,000 a year, while registered nurses can earn up to $120,000 annually. They also offer excellent benefits, including health insurance, retirement plans, and continuing education opportunities. Plus, Kaiser's commitment to work-life balance is a huge bonus. Moving on, we have Boston Scientific. Although primarily known for its medical devices, Boston Scientific offers fantastic opportunities for healthcare professionals. Their employees can expect competitive salaries, with some positions like clinical specialists earning over $100,000 yearly. They also provide stock options, comprehensive health benefits, and career development programs. If innovation and growth are important to you, Boston Scientific is worth considering. Another top contender is Johns Hopkins Medicine. Based in Baltimore, Maryland, Johns Hopkins is a leader in medical research and patient care. Their physicians and surgeons can make around $400,000 annually, while nurses and other medical staff also enjoy high salaries and benefits. The institution is dedicated to professional development, offering numerous opportunities for further education and specialization. Working at Johns Hopkins not only boosts your resume, but also your bank account. Don't forget about Cleveland Clinic. Located in Ohio, Cleveland Clinic is renowned for its heart care and extensive medical research. Physicians here can earn upwards of $350,000, and nurses can make up to $110,000 annually. They offer a great benefits package, including health insurance, retirement plans, and generous paid time off. If you want to be part of a leading medical institution with excellent pay, Cleveland Clinic is a fantastic option. Lastly, let's look at United Health Group. Though primarily an insurance company, United Health Group employs a vast number of healthcare professionals. Physicians and other medical staff here can expect competitive salaries, often exceeding $250,000 annually. They also offer impressive benefits and a strong focus on work-life balance. Working for such a large organization also provides ample opportunities for career advancement. So there you have it. These are some of the best healthcare companies in the US that not only offer great salaries, but also provide amazing benefits and opportunities for career growth. Whether you're a physician, nurse, or healthcare specialist, these organizations are worth considering in your job search. Remember, landing your dream job with a great salary is possible. Keep pushing forward, stay focused, and good luck on your career journey. Thanks for watching.